one on his ass, man. Think that's all I can fit on his phone, dog, right now. This shit. Back to that nigga about the nut shit, man. That nigga had me dying laughing, nigga. And I'm about to fucking cry in that hole. Cry all the water on my body. Laughing, killing myself, man. Killing myself. That motherfucker was shit. Holding his nuts. Talking about shit. My right one hurt, dog. I can't even move out the car, dog. I can't slide. Shit, nigga already fat. Shit. So that's one excuse he made. I understand he was fat, he gotta slide out of that motherfucker already. Shit. But the motherfucker nuts hurt. For sure, this nigga ain't moving out of this bitch. He already gotta slide. Put more pressure on his little testicles. Motherfucker drink too much shit. The nigga don't want no water. Fat people, they want these sweets. Sugar, a lot of shit. They want that sugar. Splendiderite and shit. That fucking sugar, dog. Nigga don't need too much sugar. Nigga will have sugar diabetes in the next few months. How he eat, at the rate he eat, the ratio to 1 to 3. Bitch, shit. That nigga always fucking eating. I don't even want to fucking put no mouth together on y'all niggas, man. That nigga just eats. He eats. He's an eater rough. Catch the words, eater, man. He's an eater. This motherfucker here, it's like, he can't just get one soda. That shit don't do shit for me. I gotta get 2. Me or you, like a skinny person like us, we can get 2. Cause shit, we need all we can get. But that motherfucker don't need no more than 1 soda, man. Then you always talking about little nuts hurting, his little testicle balls and shit. The motherfucker there. Wait till I see his ass. He getting roasted, man. Oh, dog. Let me tell you about that nigga in high school, man. That nigga had a rooster cut. Rooster cut is like a cut that you got. You let that shit grow back. You ain't got no fucking edge in your shit. And you got BDBs, you don't even bother brushing. That motherfucker was munching on the field, playing concert information and shit. And then band in high school, watching man. That motherfucker is just ugly as a motherfucker on the field. Ugly as a motherfucker with a fucking rooster cut and shit. Should have seen his rapper ass. I mean, I think I was in the squad with his ass. Hope not. I don't want to be seen next to that fucking rooster cut. Shit, I don't know who cut that shit. Probably that homeboy Kid. He knows fucking motherfuckers up in the shop. Shit, he cut my hair though. Shit, I probably fucked up. I don't know. I don't care. Shit, the hoe still be on the nigga though. But shit, that motherfucker get back to the main topic. His fucking fat ass. That bitch is fat. The motherfucker pissed me off. Threw that fucking water in my face with the fucking. Then it was a McDonald's cup. Motherfucker always got McDonald's. When we was tussling and hustling outside in the car. Till I closed my door and shit. Ordering, commanding me to do shit. You don't command me to do shit, man. You command them plates and them forks to lift inside your fucking fat ass mouth and throw and shit. Make that shit slide down. And you fucking digest that shit, man. Shit that shit out. Man, that nigga there.